Got a new ECU. I just put it in. I ain't record a video of me actually putting it in, but if you know how to take it out, then you know how to put it in, pretty much. Just take these bolts off, whatever, and you should be able to get right to it. That's my old one. Got the new one in. You guys know it wouldn't start, but got my rectifier hooked up for now. I think I need a new stator because my shit still ain't powering on by itself. Might need a new stator. It's not holding a charge. So I'll get that next. But, let's see if it'll start up. Hook up these jumping cables real quick. Try to get some type of power to it. Negative, then positive. Well, I don't really know if it matter or not, but if it do, then y'all let me know. Alright, so let's see what happens. Got that hooked up. Got my RAM mount. Let's see. Power. Alright, we got power. The gauge is still not showing at all. Just still the backlight. No neutral light. Let's see. Let's make sure it's in neutral. Maybe it's not. Let's see. There you go. Now it's in neutral. So let's try to start it now. I think that's one of the hardest part people got trying to record and start the bike up. Let's see. I'll put it right here on top of my phone now. Let's try to start it up. Kill switch. Yep. Fuel is priming. Starts right up. But the gauge is still not popping on. So, look like we got it to start with replacing the ECU. Fire right up. So if you guys know from my last video, the bike wouldn't start at all. Only thing would come on was what you see now. But since I switched out to ECU, fire right up. I did have to use jumping cables because I believe my stator is probably fried. It's not holding a charge. Won't even cut on by itself to show the backlights of the dash. But you can see my tail light works. Turn signals work. Everything else works except for that. My headlight work. It's just my dash. Freaking gauge is not coming on. I know a lot of people say it could be from power shortage, so maybe it's the stator not holding power or something. I don't know. But let's see. I looked at all the wires, the headlight wires and whatnot for the dash. All of them look to be good. None of them look to be burnt out or anything. Or anything like that. None of them seem to be loose. All of them seem to be well tucked in and pretty tight from what I can tell. But I guess that's the next step. Replace the stator. Figure out what's up with the gauge. Hopefully if I replace the stator, the gauge just come on. Might just buy a new rectifier in the stator as a package deal. I know I've seen some on a few websites where you buy both of them at the same time from the same company and get a decent price for it. So might be what I end up doing. And then yeah, go from there. Let's see. So I want to test out something else real quick. I want to see if the bike could still run after I disconnect the jumper cables from starting it. So let's get at the test. See if it'll keep running afterwards. Turn that on. Clutch. Look like it wanna come on. Like it flickers. Look like it flickers a little bit when I start it up, but I don't know. So let's disconnect the cables. See if it stay on. That's one. Two. So it's disconnected. Toss those over there. Bike is still on, still running. Let's see. Try to switch gears. See if it stays on after I switch the gear. Still on. Go to the second gear. Now let's let go of the clutch. Clutch is released, as you guys can see. Bike is still going. It's in second gear, I believe. And you still can't see nothing. Can't see nothing on the dash. Back tail is rotating. So everything is working fine except for the gauges. As you can see, once I turn the kill switch off, everything dies. Nothing, no power. So, if you guys got any ideas, let me know, post comments. I appreciate it. Until the next video, see you later.